Mga ka-Web3 crew, eto na nga po. Lagi ko sinasabi sa inyo na lagi akong swerte dahil marami ako nakakausap ng mga tao, lalo na pag gwapo. Gwapo daw. I am with Mr.
Greb from Vortex. Greb, CEO of Vortex. We're a market maker and token advisor.
If you don't mind me asking, how old are you?
I'm 23.
23. And you are the CEO of your own company.
That's right.
And grabe, 23 years old, 23, I'm still doing nothing, just eating, drinking. See? And tell us about your company.
Well, I started pretty early, so I guess, yeah. Our company is a market maker and token advisor. We basically help projects with their markets, keeping their markets efficient, making sure that they have all their token needs covered. And we basically have a full ecosystem for them. Like, apart from market making, we also offer a lot of business development opportunities, introductions, maybe new listings for them, maybe advising if they need. So I would actually like to call us not just a market maker, but a full token ecosystem. And we're also opening our accelerator in like several months.
Can you explain how your cryptocurrency project addresses real-world problems and brings tangible benefits to users and businesses?
Yeah, I'm not sure about how real world is it, but I would say that we as a market maker, we basically help making sure that industry develops further. Like, in this sense, we make sure that the markets are efficient and people always have the ability to buy or sell assets. Like, the tokens in general are growing, and thus the industry itself is also always expanding. And the projects we work with, like a lot of the projects we work with, are actually addressing a lot of important problems and building a lot of important features, not only for crypto, but for the world in general. Like, a lot of green projects, a lot of economic-based projects, a lot of projects that even tokenized solar energy, like the one I've met there. Like, there is a lot of projects like this in crypto we work with, and I think it's really important that we make sure that those founders have all they need to succeed in this market.
So, what could you say about the current state of crypto?
Obviously, we're in a bear market. That's no meaning to deny it. Like, liquidity is very thin right now, but we think that it's very important that right now founders keep building, basically. And actually, we see that even right now, good projects are still doing okay. They still have revenue streams, but those who basically just wanted to ride the waves of the bull market, yeah, they're failing right now. Like, good projects are still here to stay.
And in the rapidly evolving crypto landscape, what unique features or innovation does your project bring to the table that sets it apart from the competition?
I would say that, first of all, it's our technology, and that's the approach we have. Basically, the technologies that we're building are actually, first of all, they originally come from the stock market, and they were adapted to crypto, basically. Our trading technology and our software is extremely competitive. I've never seen any competitor with sort of like similar algorithms that we utilize. And I would say that in this sense, we actually are really good technological innovators. And I'm sure that in 2024, Vortex will be among the industry leaders for the technological and trading development of this kind.
Last question, what do you think is the future of money?
Future, yeah, obviously crypto. As we work here, like I strongly believe that crypto solves a lot of problems. Like, for instance, international money transfers are so much easier with crypto than they are with fiat money. Or basically, I'll be short and I'll say just, with crypto, your money is your money. With government money, you never know. You never know how much they're gonna print. You never know who controls them. And with crypto, you know how much Bitcoin you have, how much USDT you have, like what is it, and etc.
Speaking of how much Bitcoin you have, how much Bitcoin you have?
I actually, I'm really ashamed to say this, but I don't hold Bitcoin. I only hold Ethereum. We have company reserves, we have private reserves. I don't hold much right now. I have 95% of our capital, both my personal and our company's, in USDT. So we only have about 20-something ETH right now. It's not a lot.
But it's not a lot. Still, I don't have. Maybe I have 0.00001. No, I'm just kidding. More of it, dito lang yan sa FOMO, the future of money.